Hi everyone. So now it's about end of the month of February. It means cash out time. So let's check our balance. I'll click the cash out. So here it is. I can see now my fully matured here as 655.23. But since I'm still using my IPL, I have to deduct first the IPL utilized amount, and then the remaining balance is the only thing I can cash out. So from that 655.23 less my, how much do I owe for IPL? Let's check. So I have used IPL 361.18. So it was deducted already. So I only have 294.05. So I'll enter the number here. So I have entered the number here, and then I will just complete the details from here and then submit. And so here what comes out. It says there you're currently spending 138.00 per day on your active ads and are being funded by your Funbox Bank. So because I have still, if you can see, you have still there the pending for ads, and that's what it's talking about. But as you continue here, it says here, if you cash out 294.05 today, your Funbox bank balance will be down to 00. This means that your ads may stop running in less than 0 days due to insufficient funds. But again, if I want to continue with those fundings, I can still use my IPL. So I will check here that that's okay. Let me cash out 294, then submit. And then, so there it goes. It says here, cash out request pending. So for at least 10 days, I guess, and then it will be on your PayPal account. That's it. I hope you can have yours too soon. And good luck. Happy earning. Bye-bye.